Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. So I was looking on the internet and I found some super cute phone cases, like these iridescent clear ones, and these like soft furry ones. And this little like dragon breathing one is so cute. And these are like little space ones. And then this one is like a camo. And this one is so pretty with the purple flowers. And the other one says, if you can dream it, you can do it. This one has like gummy bears on it. It's so super cute. And this has like the Hello Kitty family on it with My Melody and Palm Purin. I love this one because it has like an ice cream and the little balls inside move around. This one has little pizzas on it. That's so cute. And the little donuts with the faces. I love this one. It's like a watercolor rainbow. This one has like chili, hot, spicy peppers on it. And this has like floating apps on it. So it's like a water one. These are super colorful. And here's some more furry ones. And I love the color of this one because I love cactus. So let me know your favorite, subscribe if you're new, and thanks so much for watching.